Okay, this side here, I bought it not knowing what it's about. I thought it was just looking cool. So, I doubt I could pronounce it. The box is a little bit beat up, but oh well. This is very, very rare knife right here. So this is like Australian, and good luck pronouncing it. Jugd Commando. And this right here is serial number 745, made in 2016. There's a different colors. I really love mine. This right here almost like a club right here by itself. It is really, really heavy. And there's a clip. Has a little scratches here and there, but honestly it doesn't even matter. You see, somebody carried it or messed with it, played with it. So the way to open it, you have to unspin it. And look at this tri blade. 3 sharp blades, and it's like a little or big dagger with have a spin on it. I love those holes in the middle. That is kind of hollow handle inside there. Beautiful. What do you guys think? Very, very heavy, this thing by itself. Oh wow, well balanced. You see how the blade is much longer, the handle is just heavier, so it's like bouncing really good. Let's see. Ooh, just one roll off. Have a little bit actually front heavy, just because it's so much longer. And this side here, the hole inside there, just love that little like cubes over here, very geometrical. I have no idea what this will sell, probably a couple thousand, up to like $3,000 or $4,000 easily. Again, paid probably like $1,100 for it, not knowing what it was, just getting into the knife myself. Oh wow, I didn't even show it to you guys. You can store something inside there. It's hollow. That's beautiful, like waterproof. And you know what, few years went by and this thing is like actually worth some money right now. I had no idea. Yeah, Microtech knives are really, really popular. This right here, Morpheon screws or Microtech screws that they use. It's just so unique and hefty, like a club, and it's kind of funky that it takes a while to pull it out. And I don't know if you can use it as like a cutting knife, cooking knife or anything. It's more like, I don't know, like a combat dagger or just collectible dagger in my opinion. You see that little twist to it? So if you see the cheap ones out there, those are just copies or just whatever. They're not as good quality as Microtech. There's a reason why Microtechs cost so much more than these other cheap material, cheap brands knives. People respect this brand, and that's all it's all about. That's a beautiful knife right here. Again, how do you guys pronounce it? Jugd Commando. Jugd Commando. Hopefully I pronounce it well. Beautiful knife. Almost don't want to let it go, but you know what? At some point you gotta make money back, right? After you enjoyed it.